people. Today it's Sunday and I think I promised you a Mauritian breakfast. So here we are. So we're going to go through the ingredients. In Mauritius we don't eat much cereals. It's not in our culture. Basically I wanted to reproduce or remake a typical Sunday. I would say Sunday because it's a bit of a day where people go to church, and then it's a bit more of a relaxing atmosphere at home. We've got a bit more time. So let me tell you what is on the table. So typically, I know you're going to say, oh my god, these are things that, what? They don't go together, but you need to give them a go. So we've got some jam. We would have guava jam or pineapple jam or papaya jam. This is a homemade one from last summer. It is a plum, I believe, a plum jam. And then we've got some nice butter. It has to be nice butter. It's a treat of the week back home. And then I have got some, I have made homemade this morning, some of my Gataeu Piment. It's chili balls basically. This also is a delicacies on a Sunday, right? We eat that. It's crunchy. Listen to this, guys. Can you hear the crunch? I will probably do another video where I'll prepare everything with. I have got some split pea spare that I have soaked overnight, and probably when we come back this afternoon, if we've got time, I will do another batch, and a batch only, not fry them, and you can freeze this mixture. So here we've got some cheddar cheese grated. Over here we have got a nice, listen to this, crusty, crunchy baguette. So on Sunday, after Mass at 6 o'clock, 6:30 in the morning, we come back about 7:30, 7:45. We go to the marchand of Gataeu Piment in Quatre-Bornes, and we pick a bag full of these little bowls, delicious bowls, and then we'll bring them home and we'll prepare a little table like that with all the nice bread. We'll put the bread in the oven. Like you can see, that's another variety of bread. Listen to this. It has to have this crunch, this crusty bread. This is not as crusty, but it's nice and warm and hot, and it has to be hot bread, hot baguette. We're going to do the first mixture. I'm going to do it in small pieces because me and Teddy, we want to eat it hot. It has to be hot. So here I'm going to just do my first tasting, which will be a little bit of a slice of this baguette, nice butter, jam. Right, you can see there are pieces of, you can eat it like that, which basically, typically English people or French people, this is more of a French breakfast, yeah, they will eat it like this. But no, we've got to go the extra mile. So I am going to put a little bit of grated cheese on that. And actually, I am going to let Paul, my husband, Teddy, to taste it. Bread, nice butter, a bit of jam, and grated cheese. Can you hear the crunch, guys? You've got to have that crunch. Oops.
It's very crunchy bread.
And what do you taste? What's your first feeling about jam, butter and cheese?
It goes very well together. The cheese is there first, obviously. Then you've got the sweetness of the jam, and the spread of the butter sort of smooths everything out. So you've got a really full piece of bread there with a lot of flavour, some mixtures going on there.
We'll try this one then, yeah? This is a crusty, do half of that. Right, again, butter. Now, again, this is the chili balls. Put one of them on top. You can eat it like that or in a baguette. You open the baguette. We remove this this thing back home. We don't eat the middle bit. We remove that. Loads of butter and a little bit more cheese on top. You will say, what? Please guys, give that a go. It's worth. I'm going to give it a go. Can you hear the crunch? Extremely delicious for a Sunday morning. Relax. And this, after that, some people as well, another option that I haven't added, some people eat this type of bread with peanut butter. It's big in Mauritius. Give these a go, and I will try and do this little chili balls and show you how I make them. They are still hot. Teddy and I, now we're going to enjoy our breakfast together. Try at least the jam, nice butter and cheese in a crusty baguette. Send us some comments and let us know whether you've enjoyed it. And also, just to finish off, I also wanted, after that, some families do that. This is a very sort of filling breakfast. But during the week, they still eat without the chili balls. They still eat jam, butter, cheese, or jam and butter with peanut butter. This is another combination that works really well. But I come back on the Sunday when, if we don't have time for this type of breakfast, what we do, if you go to a later mass, which is a 10 o'clock mass, it finishes about 11. So what we would do also, we would go to the patisserie, the bakery, and there they have got like giant meat sausage rolls. I will try and do these for you in another video. And this is also, we buy them, we eat them outside the bakery. Sometimes there are queues in Brazil. I don't know whether this bakery is still there. We will eat that, and with a juice or a Coke, something like that, and meet other people, chat and converse, telling them all the news of the week and all that, and then we will head home. So on a Sunday back home, it's proper relaxing and chilling out day. So here we go. I'm hoping to be able to do this pate, Sunday pate, for you in one of my next videos. I wish you all a very pleasant Sunday, and I will see you shortly in another cooking video. Bye everybody.